Okay, real quick.
It's recording now.
Okay, good. All right, here we go. Here's how solar panel cleaner cleans the window.
Window cleaning is a great add-on to your solar panel cleaning service or your solar panel cleaning business. This is a great way to increase the ticket price. Easily we can do an appointment and then add an extra $100, $200, or $300 or even more just by doing the exterior windows. And if you add the interior window cleaning, you can make even more. You can even double that amount.
Beautiful. Done. And that's how you clean a window like a solar panel. And we're moving on. Oh, good enough. I guess what I'll do then is get rid of it. Quick, it's pre-rinse. Big deal. Oh, had my foot on my tubing.
This customer right here had these solar panels installed over 7 years ago and has never had them cleaned. When they called us, I asked him exactly that. When were these solar panels installed and have they ever been cleaned? What they told me was every now and then they would get out and shoot these solar panels from the ground with their hose, which is one of the worst things you can do for solar panels, is to spray hard water on solar panels. So you must educate your customers that the best way to clean solar panels is with pure water. Pure water meaning 0 TDS. TDS, total dissolved solids. When we say 0 TDS, we mean 0 TDS parts per million. And that's the best way to clean solar panels.
Beautiful. They're looking good.